In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in WPS Office Writer. Copying and pasting text is one of the most basic yet most important skills you will use when working on documents. Whether you are editing content, reorganizing paragraphs, or reusing information, knowing how to copy and paste correctly can save you a lot of time and effort. In this video, I will explain the process in a clear and simple way so you can follow along easily, even if you are new to WPS Office Writer. To get started, open your document and locate the text you want to copy. Move your cursor to the beginning of the text, then click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire section you want to duplicate. Once the text is selected, place your cursor directly over the highlighted area and click the right mouse button. A menu will appear on the screen. From this menu, select the option that allows you to copy the text. At this point, the selected content is stored and ready to be placed somewhere else in your document. Next, decide where you want the copied text to appear. Click anywhere outside the original text, then press the Enter key a couple of times to create space if needed. Once your cursor is positioned in the new location, click the right mouse button again. From the menu that appears, choose the option to paste. As soon as you do this, the copied text will appear exactly where your cursor is placed. There is also another reliable way to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts, which many people prefer because it is faster. Start by selecting the text you want to copy, just like before. With the text highlighted, press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard at the same time. This action copies the selected text instantly. After copying, move your cursor to the spot where you want the text to be inserted. Press the Enter key if you need extra spacing. When you are ready, press the Ctrl and V keys together on your keyboard. The copied text will immediately appear in that location. Both of these methods work equally well in WPS Office Writer. You can choose whichever one feels more comfortable or convenient for your workflow. With a little practice, copying and pasting will become second nature and help you work more efficiently on your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.